Watch the man who invented the Ring doorbell humble the Shark Tank judges.
I'm seeking $700,000 for a 10% stake in the company.
I don't see the progression, and for that reason, I'm out.
I'm not connecting to that this does enough, and so for that reason, I'm out.
I'll make you an offer. I'll give you $700,000. I want a 10% royalty, and I get 5% of the company's equity. Okay.
Respectfully, we're going to decline.
You're dead to me.
The home security device company Ring. It's a reported $1 billion acquisition.
Sharks.
Well, well, well. Look who's back.